Where's my fan? Where's my fan?
Well, we have some fans outside waiting for you.
I don't mean my fans, although I love them. I need to have my fan. The wind blowing on me. My hair flowing. Where's my fan? Where's my fan? I need to have my fan now. I need to have my fan. Where's my fan? I need to have my fan now. I need to have my fan. Where's my fan? Y'all ain't about to make me walk around without my fan. I need my fan. Where's my fan?
Don't worry, Ms. Knowles. I got you. I got
need
you.
to have my fan.
We got it under control. They're getting it together. I'ma plug it right in.
I need my fan. Where's my fan? I need to have my fan. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control. Sexiness, yes. Call me Mrs. Carter. All right, now, come on.
Should I bring the fan? Of course we'll bring the fan. Of course we're bringing the fan. We're bringing the. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just go on. We're right behind you. Right behind you. Oh man. All right. Let's go.